Hi, I'm Tracy. Welcome to Jeepin The Coast 2022 in Long Beach, Mississippi. We're from Biloxi and we're here today enjoying all of the crowds. The Jeep community is phenomenal. I cannot believe how exciting it's been. And I happened to meet up with some of the guys over at EZTRUNK because we were lucky in that we were able to get their EZTRUNK last year while we were here in Jeepin 2021. This is the EZTRUNK. We have a 2021 Sahara Unlimited, Sergeant Green, of course, representing. And this particular EZTRUNK was designed so that when you go and leave your Jeep, you can put purses, anything you want in their handbag, whatever the case may be, just all of your valuables, and they can get tucked up in here. It's going to be safe. It's sturdy. It has a nice carpeted surface, which has been great because it doesn't rattle. When it drops down and we're driving on the road, it doesn't matter if we're out on the trail, trek, or even if we're on the highway. It's smooth, no rattling, you know, like those chairs, click-a. When it's laying flat, it's excellent too because we can store our tools and all kinds of other things in there, coolers, you name it, even the rubber ducky. So at this time, I wanted to just show you that when you lock the door, close the door, I'll leave the window up. It's secure, nobody can get inside. So this is the EZTRUNK. It folds down really easy, nice and flat. And it locks everything inside. If you look from the side, nobody can get up in there. Even if you're one of the guys who likes to ball a little bit and have your music blaring, the speaker going, you can leave this open and nobody's gonna be able to get inside. But the biggest feature that really attracted me was that little specialty, even if we've got the window down, because we've got our flags on back. You know, us Jeepers, we like to display and represent our flags on the back of our Jeeps. Well, oftentimes we have to hook that hitch into the bottom. So then you have to put a locking key on it and so forth. So it's a real difficult to get that hitch off every single time you want to get access to your EZTRUNK. No, that's not the case. Come around here. To access the trunk with this little area here, you can just simply use the key, opens up, you can reach in, get your handbag, you can put your cooler, you can put your bag of ducks inside, everything can go inside, close it, lock it, and it's really durable. It's got a nice powder coating surface, it's not chipping, it's not rusting. We've had the top off, exposure to the elements, and well, as you can see, there's not an ounce of rust on it. What's even better is that it has this really nice seam along the sides. So it molds perfectly to your actual vehicle. So for your year and model, I can't say anything better about it. What do you got to lose? Buy an EZTRUNK.